Waste that time giving you about this one, but you have USB. If you have USB, you are now. So we will check some equipment outside also. I think